So guys, this is the outcome of our croissant roll. You can see how lovely, beautiful, yummy and delicious this is looking. You can actually have this as your breakfast. You can take this with any kind of beverages or any juice of your choice depending on how you want it. Trust me guys, this is super delicious. You can see how fluffy this is looking and how crispy this is looking. So if you enjoyed this tutorial, kindly give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel if you haven't, comment, share and turn on the notification bell to always get notified each time I post a new video. Until the next video, Mariejum is signing out and I'm saying bye for now. Thank you.